No, he's not going anywhere. She's going to come back and get you and Walker in just a minute.
Stay, Walker. Stay.
Walker, no. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Good boy, Walker. Good boy, Walker. Come on, good boy. There you go. Sit right there.
Yeah. Sit just right there.
And you come over here a little closer, sit here and stay right here. Okay?
Walker's growing.
Yeah, he is. And you are too.
You can get taller above Walker. I'm going to get like my daddy's longer, bigger than you.
Okay.
And my mommy's bigger and way back.
Mm-hmm.
Who got a big belly?
Who does?
My mommy.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Walker. Go on, say it.
Come on, go with me, AJ.
You going down now?
Not yet. I need to wash my hands.
Okay.
No, I want Walker to come.
He's going to come when you go downstairs, after you get ready to go downstairs. Hmm?
You remember I say bark?
Yeah. But we don't want him to bark right now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see bark. Like after we open the doors, Walker's gonna come.
Okay.
Wait, what you gonna do?
I'm gonna dry my hands.
Walker, come on, boy. Come on, boy. Yeah, Walker, got something. Walker, Walker, Walker.
Going down now? Go, Walker. Go, Walker. Go down. You want to go down, Walker? I don't think he wants to go this time. He doesn't act like he wants to go this time. Okay, buddy.